Homemade pizza. Hey there, pizza lovers. Today, I want to share with you the secret to baking a delicious pizza at home. I've got my trusty KitchenAid mixer on hand to help me out. So, let's dive right in and start with the pizza dough. First, add a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of yeast into your dry ingredients. Slowly pour in about 250 milliliters of cold water while mixing it at speed 2. Once everything is combined, increase the speed to 4 and mix for about 10 minutes. The dough should have a smooth texture when ready. Next, add some flour to your dough and mix again until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now, pour in about 250 grams of olive oil and incorporate it well. Finally, add half of the cold water remaining and mix until the dough comes together nicely. Add the remaining cold water if needed, no more than 100 milliliters total. Once your dough is ready, turn it onto a floured surface and knead it for approximately 5 minutes. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts for 2 medium-sized pizzas or 1 large one. Shape the dough into a ball and let it rest under a kitchen towel for 30 minutes before baking. And there you have it, your very own homemade pizza is on its way. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Happy baking!